Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of numismatics enthusiasts with a closer look at the Malaysian old currency 1 ringgit $1 from different years. These coins not only represents a piece of monetary history, but also provides a glimpse into the Malaysia rich culture and heritage. Let's explore its value, weight, and all the intricate details that make it unique. So, if you're interested in learning everything there is to know about this old coin, stay tuned. First of all, we introduce the Malaysia 1 ringgit, equivalent to $1, coin from 1989 is a key collectible in Malaysian numismatics, representing a time of economic growth and modernization. Bank Negara Malaysia introduced this coin as part of the second series of Malaysian currency, aiming to replace the 1 ringgit banknote with a more durable and convenient coin for daily transactions. This shift was also reflective of Malaysia's efforts to strengthen its currency system and reduce production costs. The 1989 1 ringgit coin showcases elements of Malaysian national identity. The obverse side features an intricate depiction of the Malaysian Parliament building, crowned with a 14-point star and crescent moon, symbols of Malaysia's Islamic heritage and unity among its 13 states and federal territories. The reverse side displays the denomination, 1 ringgit, in bold font, surrounded by traditional Malaysian motifs. These design elements reflect the government's commitment to national unity and cultural pride. The 1 ringgit coin from 1989 is made of cupronickel, a durable alloy that provides the coin with a distinctive silver tone. With a diameter of 31 millimeters and a weight of approximately 14 grams, this coin is substantial compared to other circulating coins at the time. The choice of cupronickel allowed for durability, making the coin resilient against daily wear and tear, while its larger size made it easy to distinguish in transactions. Malaysia's rapid industrial growth and strategic location in Southeast Asia heavily influenced its economic policies in the late 20th century. By the 1980s, Malaysia was expanding its infrastructure, diversifying its economy, and building strong trading ties globally. Introducing the 1 ringgit coin aligned with these economic developments, symbolizing Malaysia's modernization and providing a practical solution for cash transactions in its growing economy. The 1989 1 ringgit coin was produced in large quantities to meet the high demand for this denomination in Malaysia. However, exact mintage figures are not readily available, as Bank Negara Malaysia typically does not disclose specific mintage numbers for circulating coins. This coin was widely circulated but eventually phased out in the early 2000s due to increasing issues with counterfeiting and a decision to return to a paper currency for this denomination. Its circulation period, however, has made it a familiar and cherished coin in Malaysia. Today, the 1989 1 ringgit coin holds a unique place in the numismatic market. Its face value remains 1 Malaysian ringgit, equivalent to about 22 cents, yet its collector value varies based on condition and demand. Circulated examples generally sell for around $2 to $5, while uncirculated or proof specimens can reach prices of $10 to $20. Coins in pristine condition, with minimal wear, are particularly valuable to collectors, who prize them for their historical significance and rarity. While the majority of 1989 1 ringgit coins are standard issue, some variants and minting errors have been documented, making certain pieces more desirable among numismatists. These errors might include slight misalignments, double strikes, or differences in the rim, all of which are unintended during production but highly collectible. Such error coins are considered rare and often command higher prices due to their uniqueness and appeal to serious collectors. The 1989 1 ringgit coin remains a significant cultural artifact, symbolizing Malaysia's era of economic growth and national pride. Although it was withdrawn from circulation, it continues to be valued by collectors as a reminder of Malaysia's evolving identity and modernization journey. For numismatists, it offers both a tangible connection to Malaysia's economic history and a beautiful example of Malaysian symbolism and craftsmanship, ensuring its lasting appeal in collections around the world. And the second 1990 Malaysia $1 coin is a significant piece in Malaysian numismatics, notable for its historical and cultural value. This coin was issued to commemorate the Bicentennial of the historical founding of modern Malaysia and serves as a reminder of the country's journey to independence and economic growth. Its intricate design and commemorative significance make it a sought-after item among collectors both locally and internationally. Malaysia's bicentennial coin celebrates the country's progress over 2 centuries, from colonial beginnings to an independent nation. The bicentennial refers to 200 years since the establishment of British influence in Penang in 1786, a pivotal moment in Malaysia's history. This event marked the beginning of significant changes in Malaysia's social, political, and economic landscape, eventually leading to the multicultural and thriving society that exists today. The 1991 dollar coin showcases a meticulously crafted design, symbolizing Malaysia's heritage and unity. The obverse side of the coin features the denomination $1 and the year of issue, surrounded by intricate traditional Malaysian motifs, reflecting the cultural depth of the country. On the reverse, the coin displays the Malaysian crest, a symbol of sovereignty and pride. The elements on this coin not only represent Malaysia's historical journey, but also embody its diverse cultural influences. This $1 coin was minted by the Royal Mint of Malaysia, headquartered in Shah Alam, Selangor. Malaysia's central mint was responsible for producing coins circulated within the country, ensuring consistent quality and authenticity. The coin was distributed nationwide and occasionally found its way into the hands of foreign collectors due to its unique commemorative status, spreading awareness of Malaysia's rich history. The 1991 dollar coin was produced with a nickel-brass composition, giving it a distinct golden color. It weighs 8.5 grams, with a diameter of 26.0 millimeters and a thickness of 2.5 millimeters. These specifications made it a durable and easily recognizable piece in circulation, standing out for its heft and golden appearance. The coin specifications were chosen to balance practical usage and its special commemorative role. The exact mintage of the 1991 dollar bicentennial coin is unknown, though estimates suggest it was limited to ensure its commemorative value. Limited mintage makes this coin relatively rare, especially in mint or uncirculated condition. Collectors highly value well-preserved specimens due to their scarcity and historical importance, making them prized pieces in Malaysian numismatic collections. The 1990 Malaysia $1 coin is valued differently based on its condition. In circulated condition, it may fetch around a few dollars, reflecting its status as an old, but not exceedingly rare coin. However, in uncirculated or mint condition, the value can rise significantly, sometimes exceeding $10 to $15 USD or more among serious collectors. Its bicentennial theme and limited mintage make it increasingly desirable, especially as it ages. Coins like the 1991 dollar bicentennial piece tell the story of Malaysia's transformation from a British colony to a sovereign state. By commemorating the bicentennial with this coin, Malaysia highlighted its rich history and pride in its independence. For numismatists, this coin serves as a symbol of Malaysia's legacy, offering a tangible connection to the country's historical and cultural milestones. The 1990 Malaysia $1 coin remains a popular choice for collectors interested in Southeast Asian currency. Its unique history, limited mintage, and connection to Malaysia's bicentennial celebration make it a valuable piece of numismatic history. As the years pass, interest in this coin is likely to grow, making it an enduring artifact in the study and appreciation of Malaysian history and currency. And the third 1991 Malaysia $1 bicentennial coin holds significance both in numismatics and in Malaysian history, as it commemorates the bicentennial celebration of significant historical events. This coin, issued by Bank Negara Malaysia, reflects the nation's effort to honor its rich cultural heritage and historical milestones. The coin is particularly valued by collectors, not only for its limited mintage, but also for the important history it symbolizes. The 1991 issue remains a sought-after piece among numismatists due to its intricate design, commemorative value, and rarity, making it a prized item in collections focusing on Southeast Asian currencies. The history behind Malaysia's $1 bicentennial coin is deeply tied to the country's heritage. In 1991, Malaysia celebrated the bicentennial of certain historical milestones, using this coin as a symbol of its growth and resilience. Although Malaysia as an independent nation is relatively young, these coins represent a broader historical context, celebrating the foundations upon which modern Malaysia was built. For collectors, the coin offers a tangible link to Malaysian culture and the events that shaped the nation's identity over the centuries. Geographically, Malaysia's strategic location in Southeast Asia made it a melting pot of various cultures, which is evident in the design elements found on the 1991 $1 coin. The coin embodies Malaysia's blend of Malay, Chinese, and Indian influences, with motifs that represent its multicultural heritage. The coin's reverse side showcases symbolic elements, while the obverse features the effigy of the then King of Malaysia, Sultan Azlan Shah. The integration of these elements reflects the country's unity despite its diversity, a core aspect of Malaysia's national identity. In terms of design, the 1991 Malaysia $1 Bicentennial coin is crafted with precision and attention to detail. The reverse side displays intricate artwork that celebrates Malaysia's heritage, while the obverse typically features the effigy of the reigning monarch. The coin's outer rim is usually inscribed with motifs or text that signify its commemorative purpose, adding to its visual appeal. Collectors admire this coin for its unique artistry, which distinguishes it from standard circulation coins and contributes to its numismatic value. The mintage of the 1991 Malaysia $1 coin was limited, which increases its rarity and value in the numismatic market. These coins were produced in smaller quantities to emphasize their commemorative nature, and many were stored as collectibles rather than circulated. Over the years, this limited availability has heightened the demand for the coin, making it more valuable among collectors who appreciate its scarcity and historical significance. For numismatists, the 1991 Bicentennial $1 coin holds value beyond its monetary worth. Its historical background, design, and limited mintage elevate its desirability in collections focused on commemorative coins from Southeast Asia. Collectors often seek this coin as it represents an era of growth and national pride for Malaysia, encapsulating an important part of its history. This historical context enhances the coin's allure, giving collectors a deeper connection to the heritage it represents. From a numismatic perspective, the value of the 1991 $1 Bicentennial coin varies based on its condition, rarity, and demand in the market. Well-preserved coins with minimal wear or those in mint condition are especially valuable, as they retain the original luster and details. Over time, the coin has appreciated in value, particularly as demand has grown from international collectors interested in Southeast Asian commemoratives. The coin's value, therefore, is influenced by factors such as demand, rarity, and the overall condition of the piece. Today, the 1991 Malaysia $1 coin remains a treasured collectible, symbolizing both national pride and a rich cultural heritage. Its significance extends beyond numismatics, as it serves as a historical artifact that embodies Malaysia's journey as a nation. Collectors who own this coin not only hold a piece of Malaysia's heritage, but also a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship that went into its production. Its enduring appeal is a reminder of the importance of commemorative coins in preserving history. In conclusion, the 1991 Malaysia $1 Bicentennial coin is a valued collectible for both its historical relevance and its aesthetic appeal. It captures an essential part of Malaysia's heritage, marking a significant anniversary and embodying the nation's multicultural identity. For numismatists, this coin is a prized addition to any collection, as it combines rarity, artistry, and historical context, making it an enduring symbol of Malaysia's legacy.